Hi friends, welcome back to another episode of Fix This House. On today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to install a doorknob in a deadbolt assembly set and how to replace it. Today I'll be using the KWIKSET product. Now this is just a direct replacement. All the holes on the door are already there. I just took out the old mechanism because it broke and I'm replacing it with a brand new one. Now the latch that you're using today came with the set. Make sure that that word up is facing on the top part. Now just insert the deadbolt and again make sure that the up wording is on the top. Okay, and then just screw everything in place. Now all the tools and all the materials, especially this product, I'll leave it on the link down below so it'll be easier for you to access. Now here is the deadbolt mechanism. Make sure that the rod is properly aligned and that the wording of the deadbolt is on the top once again. Here is the deadbolt rod. Make sure that it is nice and aligned and matched with the latch, so you can just easily, make it go through. Now again, the wording of the KWIKSET logo should be facing at the top. Now take the other half of the deadbolt and just align it with the half moon shaped and then just adjust it. And before you tighten everything down, make sure that the actual latch works. So test it and make it go from lock to unlock, and just test it before you even screw this in. Now again, make sure that the wording locked is facing at the top right there and not on the bottom. Now take the bolts and feed it right through. Now again, you might have to take everything out so that you can properly align it, and then just hand tighten the bolts. Again, don't fully tighten this, just tighten it so that you can still move it so that you can properly align it when you finish putting it on. So now I'm going to be using a leveler. So just take a mini leveler and make sure that everything is nice and aligned, nice and horizontal. Hold it in place, and you can use someone to hold it for you, or you can just do what I'm doing here. I'm just holding it with my left hand, and then the other one I am just using it to fully tighten it. Again, you can't see it at the other side, but I'm actually holding my leveler at the same time while I tighten this so that everything is nice and aligned. Once everything is done, make sure you properly tighten it. You can even use just a Phillips hand screwdriver, but here I'm just using my DeWalt to make it faster. And there you have it. Now again, use the key that was provided in the box or with the product and just test it out to make sure that everything works nice and well. Now here's a very important information. There, on the doorknob handle, there's actually a little mechanism that you can rotate left to right. It's a half moon shaped mechanism, little rod right there. Now this is very important. If you have a left-handed door or a right-handed door, depending on how your door swings, you can actually move this around and switch it up. So don't think that you bought the wrong doorknob or door mechanism. This is actually, you can just move it left to right. Now drill that hole on the bottom for this type of assembly. Now I can't stress this enough, but if you're outside and your door swings to the right, you need to position this half moon shape on the right side, just like what I did here. Here's an example, and just right there, the latch would be on the left. Now if your door swings to the left, just like mine, you want to put the half moon to the left side, and there you have it. Just match it with the moon shape on the latch. Now you can do that. So I highly suggest you do this first before actually assembling it to the door, and test it out if the latch works. Now on the latch itself, there's actually a little mechanism that you can move down, and you can actually extend this depending on how far the hole is from your door. There you have it. But I'm just gonna keep mine on the default setting. You don't have to make this super tight, just snug. So now what I'm doing is I am putting the door handle through the latch. Again, it's a half moon shape. Make sure that it goes through. And then take the other doorknob or door handle, feed it right through the moon hole, and then there you have it. And then just test it out. Make sure that the latch moves in and out. Now take your screws, feed it right through. Again, like what you did with the deadbolt, don't tighten this super tight. Just hand tighten it, or just use your power tool or your screwdriver, and don't tighten it all the way. Now for this to get to the other hole, you'll have to turn the knob so you can get that screw in. And like what you did on the left side, don't over tighten it, just enough to hold it in place. Okay, now use your leveler and make sure that you have that nice and leveled. And here's for the bottom part, depending on what assembly. If you get this assembly, you will need to drill a hole through the bottom. Now I highly suggest that you actually, before you drill that hole, you tape the other end so you don't get a blowout on the other side. That was my mistake on this one, but lesson learned. I hope you guys don't make the same mistake I did. And there you have it. Just hold the pin on the back and then tighten everything and test everything out. Now again, lock the door, make sure that everything works right. And there you have it. Swings to the left. Now if you found this video helpful, friends, please hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell so you can always be in tune on DIYs, how-to videos, and product reviews on this channel. And I do a lot of videos like this. I try to post a how-to video every week, so stay tuned and make sure that you subscribe and you turn on that notification bell. So there you have it, quick and easy. Anybody can do it. Again, all the tools in this product, I'll leave it on the link down below so you can make it easier for you to get it if you are interested. Thank you so much, friends. I'll see you on the next episode.